YouTube, what's good? It's done, and we're gonna get straight to it. This is gonna be a short video, and we're going to talk about aliases, which is a software engineer's best friend. So let's get straight to the definition. So, alias, a shortcut or an alternate name for a file, command, or variable. So there's different types of aliases. Like they said, file, command, or variable. You can make an alias for literally everything that you want because simply just makes your life a lot easier. So I'm gonna tell you how, I'm gonna show you how it makes your life so much easier. So let's get straight to it. New file. So let's say if you made a code and to use the code anywhere you want without using Visual Studio Code or any IDE that you use, you need to type out the language and then put space, and then you have to put the file path all the way down from the itty gritty user. You know what I'm saying? So it takes a lot just for you to get it done. So let's say if you want to, I have a productivity app that I use when it comes to me just getting things done. So let's say if you want to access it in the terminal, you type in the language, then you go to your file. This is the quote unquote easiest way of an alias to access a file. Copy path. Turn it off. Control V. Press enter. And this starts up your app. So let's turn it off. So if you want to do the alias, this is the best way for you to do it. So first and foremost, let me get my handy dandy notes. If you want to copy and paste this, by all means copy and paste it. I have a whole bunch of these types of notes that I keep in my computer just to make my life easier. So you look at what type of terminal it's running. So it's running a ZSH. There's two types, there's bash and there's ZSH. Right now we're working on ZSH. We can get onto the differences later on because you can configure it yourself, but the default is ZSH. So since we're working on ZSH, we have to lock in a ZSH file. So to access the file, you have to do vim slash dot ZSHRC, press enter. So this accesses your file. You can put whatever you want in here, but we're focused on alias for this video. So that's all we're going to be focused on. To edit the file, press I. This allows you to do whatever you want in the file. We have an alias called hustle. So let me just delete this line real quick, just so y'all know. So like the command that I typed in, the Python space and copy path, that's what we're going to be doing right now. So to make an alias, you have to type in alias first. This is basically defining the command that you're doing. And let's do lock in. Let's change it up. Now put quotation marks. The quotation marks is to put in parentheses what the alias is doing. So Python basically just doing the exact same thing that we did in long form, but in short form. Control V, because I still had it in my computer. Just Control V or whatever file that you want to do. And press. So this is the alias. It's very short, simple. Aliases are short and simple, just how we make them short and simple. Control O. Control O. Colon W. Q. Oh, that's nasty. Control O. Colon W. Q. Exclamation point, which is save, quit, force the save and quit. I have it right here. Like I said, if you want to copy and paste it, just type it in by all means. Press enter. Boom. So without having to exit out of the terminal and restart the terminal, This is a better way and faster way of doing things. So source is basically just refreshing the the file that you have dot zshrc. Press enter. This basically just sets everything up, makes sure it's all good. Now you just all you have to do is just block in, boom, and set up. There's different types of aliases as well. I have an alias right here because it's a productivity app. If you want me to show y'all into detail what the app does, let me know down below. But for this types produces copyright music, let me just exit this real quick. But yeah, Alias, shortcut of life, software engineer's best friend, signing out.